All right, let's have a look at gold. For gold, and this is a weekly chart. Weekly chart clear uptrend, daily chart uptrend. For now, my previous idea was that I thought the gold will come down to the 1316 or 1307, then to rally. And it came down to the 1320 and it decided to heading up again. So this is 1 hour. And with this, so let's delete this first. Okay, as we said, this our daily chart is still uptrend, and also the strong uptrend as well. And last week, if you have a look at the candlestick, last week this is a star candle. The daily chart is shooting star. So with this range, as you can see, this is still within this range. And for 4 hour, so weekly star, daily shooting star, and the 4 hour is strong downtrend candle. One, two, three. This downtrend candle. This is the red. So and go zoom in to the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. So what are we looking into is the first step. It should be we need if the price continues to go down, we need to look at the range from 1338 to 1330 because let's go to the big picture for now. So if we have a look, if you have a look at the daily chart, is kind of this area is overbought. So overbought, and if we want to long gold, I think that before that it should be a healthy pullback. Healthy pullback, I think it could be 13110 that's here, or 1300 something here. So daily chart pullback. This is 13110. 13110 is here, and 1307 is here. 1303 is here. So the healthy pullback. How far is it gonna be? And it depends. The first barrier is that the price need to break this area to the 1325. 1325 is here. Yeah, okay. To the 1325 for 4 hour 1325. Okay. So 1325, and if the 1325 then to 1310. So for daily chart, we need to watch the level of the areas 1338, 1330, and then 1325. 1325, if the break down the 1325, then will be 1310 around to retrace. Um, to be clear that we still in the uptrend, we still need to still long goals, and for this retracement, it should be a big retracement. It's not I don't think it's gonna be a very small retracement. I don't think it's gonna be finished here. So I will look at 1325 here. 1325. Probably it's heading up to 1325 again, or maybe the finish small and then just rally a little bit to 13 from the 1335 something around to really start really back. So this is a couple of spot we need to watch, and um, I think let's go to a weekly chart. The weekly chart is this is previous high, so it's stuck here the previous high. And for the big picture, if we have this is a weekly chart. For the big picture, maybe we have a big drawback to 128 again. but let's not look that far yet. Let's just looking into the small time frame, the 4 hour. So have a look this area, the 1 at first to 30. Break down the 30, 25. The break in 25 is 10, and the 25 is the place maybe it's come back to the uptrend, and the 35, 30 to 30 at this area is maybe the place come back to a little bit uptrend as well. And this area, yeah, this one. So breakdown, but it's safely break down these 30, 38 to 30, then I think it's could be a little bit safe to short gold a little bit more to the 1610. So yeah, this is a couple of level we need to watch for the gold.